Hello, my lovely foodies, and a very warm welcome to you in Recipes You Like.
In this video episode, we are making a very popular Gujarati breakfast recipe which can also be taken as a snack and is made with the various variations. Today we are making it with bottle gourd and wheat flour. Let's see how it's made and what are the ingredients required. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates from Recipes You Like. We have taken here a piece of bottle gourd, that is lauki, and it's about 250 grams. We will peel the skin of the bottle gourd and then we will shred it. You can use a food processor for it or do it manually. So now we are ready with our shredded lauki, that is bottle gourd. Let's have a look at some of the spices that we will be requiring. To start with, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, that's haldi, 1/4 to half a teaspoon of chili powder or chili flakes, as much spicy you require, half a teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of amchur, that is dry mango powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, that is dhania powder, half a teaspoon of carom seeds, that is ajwain, 1 full teaspoon of kasuri methi, that is dry feenugreek leaves, and half a teaspoon of nigella seeds, that is kalonji. Besides this, we will also add chopped green chilies, 1 to 2 depending upon your taste, 1 tablespoon of coriander leaves, and 1 teaspoon of ginger paste. Now it's time to add all these ingredients into the 2 cup of wheat flour that we are taking in this bowl. We'll keep little bit of wheat flour aside for dusting. Now start adding everything. First the shredded bottle gourd, then the spices, coriander, chili and ginger. Also add 2 tablespoons of oil, salt as per your taste. We will mix and knead everything together into a smooth dough, just adding a tablespoon of curd or dahi into it. As you must have noticed, we didn't squeeze the bottle gourd while adding it to the wheat flour, so the water of the bottle gourd and the curd is sufficient to knead this flour. Besides this, even if you require more water to knead the flour, you can always add a little bit of it. And if your bottle gourd is more watery, you can add a little bit of more flour to balance it into a dough. Now this dough is a little bit sticky, so we will apply a little bit of oil all over it and keep this aside to sit for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the dough is soft and set. And then take a small portion of the dough and roll it out in the shape of a roti, dusting it in between with the flour when required. Roll out the roti as much thin as possible. Guys, I simply love these theplas. These are more lighter than the North Indian parathas. How did you or how do you enjoy them? Write in the comment section below. Now drop it over a hot griddle or tawa and roast on a medium heat, flipping in between, and add a teaspoon of ghee or oil on each side of the roti. The thepla roti has been roasting since 4 minutes. Now it has become nice golden brownish in color with the brown spots over it. It's ready to be served hot with curd or achar. You can make 8 theplas out of this dough. For more Gujarati recipes like khakra, click on the icon link coming above. Thanks for watching. See you in another episode of Recipes You Like. Till then, keep healthy and enjoy cooking.